Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create SLR parsing table and LLF1 parsing table using JFLAP. First of all, we have to install the JFLAP. So let's go to Chrome and install the JFLAP. Go to the Chrome and search JFLAP and go to the JFLAP software website, and you can download JFLAP 7.1, which is the updated version of 7.0. So just download it. And JFLAP 2, we have two ways. One is from command prompt, another one is from Java, installing Java. Right. If you want to use Java, we can just download the Java Oracle and install the Java's compiler, and you can open directly as by double clicking it. Yeah, you can see that it has been directly appeared like this. Or else you can go to the command prompt where it is located, like, yeah, go to the command prompt, um, enter this command like this, ap 7.1 dot jar. Yeah, we can use this any of two types to open the JFLAP tool. So guys, without delaying, we can create a SLR parsing table and LLF1 parsing table. So let's go into the grammar and give the grammar according to your parsing table. So this is the grammar I have given. So let's go to the input and select build SLR1 parsing table. So you can see has been created first and all. So it gives in a step-by-step format. So let's go to all steps. After finishing the all steps, you can see this here. It appears like this: nice first and follow table and parsing table, and this is the diagram. So in the same way, let's create an SLR parser table for. So next, parse it. Let me see if give an input like this AB and create a inverted tree. Start. It gives in a step-by-step format. So same again. This is the inverted tree for the given grammar. In the same way, let's create another parsing table, which is LLF1 parsing table. File, new, yeah, grammar. So let me give LLF1 parsing table grammar this way. S tends to AB and it tends to small a capital A or small b, and B tends to C. In the same in the input section, build as LLF1 parsing table and do all steps and parse, and in the same way give the input and start and step. In the same way we can build any parsing table. Thank you.